Okay, so when we talk about solving algebraically, the first thing that we're talking about is the basic isolate a variable on one side, on the other side will be the answer. Okay, how do you isolate a variable on one side? You know, you simplify on each side, you do operations to both sides until there's a variable to the first power with a coefficient of 1 on one side of the equal sign, and the answer will be on the other side. Right? That's the most basic kind of solving an equation. Okay, if I go to the next, I mean, here's a basic, you know, very straightforward equation. Isolate the variable by adding 5 to both sides. Divide by 3, x equals 4. Right? How can you make sure that that's the right answer? You could plug this back in here and see that it works. 3 times 4 is 12, minus 5 is 7. Okay, here's another equation. Simplify. Okay, we have to do some simplifying of the expression on the right-hand side by using distributive property. 2x plus 6 equals 2x plus 6. Okay, but of course, that has to be true. Right? It's the same thing on both sides of the equal sign. In this textbook, at the beginning, they make a point of distinguishing between something like this, which is only true, an equation which can only be solved for a particular value of the variable. That is called a conditional. Right? Something like this, which has to be true for any value of x, is called an identity.